Hi guys, welcome back. Now let me tell you that everyone liked to play games in mobile and PC, but many of them didn't have good device to handle some of these games. So we miss that fun, but now I'll share one method. Now you can play the game without installing the game in your device. You can use this method in PC or mobile. I'll show in mobile. Now open your browser and search this. I'll give this link in description below. Now it will open like this. Click on the first link. If you are using any PC, you can visit directly. Now I'm using in mobile, so we need to use in desktop mode, and now try to use in desktop site mode for better gaming experience. Now you can find like this. Click on accept and click on play now button to start the game.
Showtime.